Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna go and get some lunch at a Family Mart, but we're gonna do it sort of more in a fun way. I'm gonna go to Family Mart, get lunch, and see exactly how much I can get for 1,000 yen. Later on, I will probably do this video for Lawson's as well as 7-Eleven, the two other big convenience stores here in Okinawa, Japan. But for now, let's see what we can get at this Family Mart for 1,000 yen. This is about $10 for lunch. You know, to be honest, I usually only spend about 5,000 yen when I go to Family Mart to eat something. So I'm excited to see what this gets me. So let's see my choices, see what looks good, and keep it under 10 bucks. All right, guys, let's go inside, see how it looks. Let's see what kind of dried snacks they have. I don't think I'm gonna get any dried snacks, but here's a lot of beef jerky. And then this is just all instant ramen. But I'm gonna try and get some hot food here, or maybe some snacks. Here's potato chips and stuff. And actually, these are really good. And I've been wanting to try these. In fact, I'm gonna get them. The Karamucha chips I really like, but this is like a Pikachu edition. And that's 200 yen almost. So let's try that. That's something I've been wanting to try. We got chocolates. So here they have frozen meals, and they also have smoothies, which I get sometimes. Takoyaki, that looks good. That's like squid balls. We got cheeseburgers. These sandwiches look really good. And onigiris and bentos, or some ramens and stuff. I'm gonna get this egg meat sandwich too. So that's 276 yen. Let's look at desserts here. Oh, this thing was really good. It's like a cookie crunch cream puff. And we have a lot of yogurts. Monster. Let's get something sweet here. Maybe a milk eclair. Try that. I've never tried this before, but it's 147 yen. Okay guys, it was getting like a lot to carry with one hand, so I ended up getting a basket. So guys, I just did the math. This is only 761 yen so far, and I still have 231 yen, 239 yen. So let's see what else we can find. I guess I could get a donut. It's another 100 yen. So let me grab that. Maybe this one. Yeah, grab that. So 139 yen left. And look at that. There's gonna be tax on this stuff, but beef, yakiniku, mayonnaise, hand roll, sushi, we'll get that. It's 139 yen exactly. So before tax, this exactly is 1,000 yen. So let's check out. I got way more than I usually get here at Family Mart. And you can see here, it was 181 yen total. That's with the tax. And they also charged me 3 yen for a bag. So they just started charging for bags here in Okinawa, or Japan in general, about, I don't know, a month ago or something. But anyway, 1,081 yen with tax. That's what we spent. I got a ton of stuff. What is that? 4, 5, 6 things? Man, that I'm not gonna be able to eat all of this. I'm gonna take some of it home to Kit, but that's crazy, guys. And like I said, normally if I'm lucky, I'll spend maybe 500 yen because I get a drink, maybe an onigiri. Sometimes I get a bento, and bentos are like 300 to 400 yen, and then drinks another 100, so maybe like 500 yen. It's amazing how much you can get for $10. The 1,081 yen is probably almost exactly $10. I'll have to check and do the math. Let's go home check it out and do a taste test on all these things.
I'm not wearing a bra.
Oh, okay. Sorry for the mess. I'm doing a video where...
You brought me food?
Yeah. It's what I could get at Family Mart for 1,000 yen.
Oh, I did one not too long ago, one that you could do for 500.
Oh, interesting. That's when we're broke, huh?
We're still broke.
Yeah, I brought some stuff because honestly, 1,000 yen worth of stuff from Family Mart is probably too much food for one person.
I feel like I should be like covering my tits right now. Kids tits. OnlyFans.
Kids tits. OnlyFans / kids tits. I wanted to do a taste test. I got some new stuff too. Let's try it. All right, guys, so that's the layout. We have the milk tea. Sorry, I drank some already. This is a Pikachu edition black pepper
It
caramucho.
used to be my dad's favorite.
Oh, really? Here's these sandwiches, which are amazing. I needed to spend exactly 100 yen, so I got this. And I needed to spend exactly 130 yen, so I got this, 39 yen. And then this I've never tried before, milk eclair. It's actually really light. Not like, you know, you think it'd be like a donut, but I think it's very airy or something. It's pretty light for the size it is. All right, let's try some of this. So I've had this before, it's very good. We can,
You know, I've actually never had that.
Really?
I've never had the teriyaki one. I
All
always
right.
just get the plain drink.
Let's start with this. So this is teriyaki chicken to tamago. So teriyaki chicken and egg. Here we go. Let's try it out then. If you haven't tried this one. There's 2 sandwiches in here.
You didn't
this
get me
is-
a drink?
When I left, you're like, no, it's okay. I'll eat my own food. And then I got you food anyway, and you're like, you didn't get me a drink?
You should know better by now. How long have we been together?
Okay, let's try this. So this is, it has egg, lettuce, and teriyaki chicken.
That is good.
It's incredible.
Yeah, that is really good.
Yeah, it's very good, guys. Here, you want that? Yeah, the creamy egg with like the sweet teriyaki, it's so good.
Yeah, it's a good combination.
It's a really good Usually they have it without the lettuce, so it's kind of weird that they have like a piece of lettuce in here. I mean, it's fine. It adds like a little bit of crunch. I can't really taste the lettuce.
I can. I've never had the teriyaki one.
So you only have the egg sandwiches? Okay,
What are we eating next?
let's do gyu yakiniku. Gyu yakiniku. Beef yakiniku mayonnaise hand roll sushi. Why don't you open it? Because I always mess it up. Yeah, they keep the seaweed separate from the rice. They do this in all onigiris, but it's so the seaweed stays crispy. And so that's what it looks like there. I'll take a bite.
Crispy. These are really good. It really does taste like yakiniku.
Yeah, that's crazy. It tastes just like yakiniku. You know, the thing with the hot plate at the table and you grill the meats.
It's got like a garlicky, kind of like teriyaki garlicky flavor on the meat. And it's got a little bit of mayonnaise on it.
Okay, now we just have snacks.
That's the part I'm looking forward to.
I kind of figured it would be, which is why I bought more snacks than real food.
My ulcers are ready. Bring on the greasy badness.
Okay, so let's try this milk eclair. I've never had this before.
I've never had that too.
Okay, this is new for both of us. It was in the refrigerated section. So it's not like a donut, it's gotta be refrigerated. So it has like milk. So that's what it looks like, guys. And like I said, it's lighter than you'd expect.
Eclairs are particularly light. They're airy.
Yeah, it's really airy. Has some cream in the middle. There's like no density to it. It's like just the inside of a cream puff. There's like no hardness to it whatsoever.
I like it.
You like it?
But I like cream puffs. So this kind of like stuff I really like. I also like the flavor of the inside. It's kind of got a hint of lemoniness to it.
Yeah, light, airy, creamy, milky.
Like it's a good snack for 100 yen, right? It's like sweet, but it's not too sweet.
You know, someone was saying that, someone on one of these groups was saying that they lived in Europe for a few years and they live in Japan now. And they're saying that Japan does bread better than even Europe. here, they are very good. Even this was at a Family Mart, and it's not like freshly baked or anything, and it's amazing. Speaking of bread products, let's go ahead and just split this donut.
That looks like the ones you get at Mr. Donuts.
Yeah.
The fondant.
It's the same price too. Well, maybe a little less. They're like $1.20 at Mr. Donut. Okay, so this is just a standard everyday chocolate donut here in Japan. That one I did expect to be a little bit better.
The problem here is the chocolate. It's not very chocolatey flavor. It's like a dull chocolate flavor. It doesn't really taste like chocolate. I mean, it's not bad, but Mr. Donuts has it better.
Yeah, I mean, they make them themselves. It's only 100 yen. So, Mr. Donut, you can probably expect to spend 120 maybe for one of these. I mean, it's better. It's more than 20 yen better worth of donut.
It's not very sweet. I think the thing is, like, and I say this about a lot of things in Japan, is that there's so many great food here. This is probably, like, good. Like, it's probably, like, you know, you're just comparing good to great. Like, it's not bad by any means, but if you're going to Family Mart to get any kind of dessert, there's definitely better dessert.
Yeah, if you're gonna get a pastry dessert, I would recommend the eclair thing. This is the thing I've been waiting for. And I don't know about you guys, but this might be the thing you guys have been waiting for. Karamucho. So Karamucho, I'll put a picture up here of the real one right in front of Kit's face. And it's one of my favorite chips here in Japan. So it's cool to see one that has Pikachu on it.
Let me see. I think there's a little thing on it. So Karamucho, it's 10,000 Juman Boruto pepper. So like 10,000 bolt pepper.
10,000 bolt pepper from Pikachu.
Yeah, it says beady beady spice, which is like.
So it has some spice to it.
But you know, Japan kind of like over exaggerates sometimes. That's cute. They pretended to make this like a Pokemon card. Type exciting potato. Weight 90 grams. It's cry. Hee.
Yeah, open it up. You want to do the honors? Oh, it's advertising the new Pokemon movie. Yeah, by the way, guys, there is a new Pokemon movie coming out, and if you pre-order tickets, you get an exclusive Pokemon for the game, which of course we got tickets for.
It smells like curry.
Curry?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
They look like those potato sticks that come in a can.
Interesting. They're not chips. They're like potato sticks. Ready? That's a very different flavor than I thought it'd be.
You know what I thought immediately as soon as I put it in my mouth? Thailand. It's got that Thailand pepper taste.
Yeah, it's identical to Thai.
Yeah, it's like a very Thai flavor.
What is that flavor? I can't place it.
Like
it's in soups and stuff?
Like, I taste it in like tom yum soups and stuff.
Oh,
like,
tom yum. Yeah, that's what it is. And it's spicy. It actually is spicy.
It actually does have a spice kick to it.
Yeah, it tastes like if you've had tom yum from Thai food, it's like a tom yum soup, and they also have tom yum chickens and porks and stuff. I'll put it up on the screen here. It tastes just like that. It's very good. And it has some spice to it. Definitely has some kick. This is good. I'd recommend this.
You have to like that Thai flavor though.
It's a very specific flavor. Doesn't taste Japanese. If you don't know what tom yum tastes like, there's no way to explain this.
Yeah.
And you'd never expect that, I think. I did not. Like, just looking at the package, you think like cheesy, peppery. That's what I looked at. You know, I thought it might have been like a cheesy thing, but it's not cheesy at all. It's very, what is tom yum made out of? Are you looking? Siri.
The definition has lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galanga.
I taste the lemongrass.
I taste more lime. It's a very unique flavor, for sure.
Yeah, guys, if you like Thai food and you like tom yum, check these out. I don't know how long they'll be around. The movie comes out in December, so, you know, maybe it'll be till December or something, but Japan always does these exclusive type things.
So far, every Katamucho thing I've had has been really good.
Yeah, I don't know. I like it. It's good. It's like a very Thai flavored.
That was not expecting that flavor. That was a surprise.
I was expecting like another like Katamucho flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little bit spicier.
So guys, that was Family Mart, what you can get for 1,000 yen or less. I spent exactly 1,000 yen before tax. 1,000 yen exactly, I calculated it. I might do a version of Lawson's and 7-Eleven. There's a lot of similar things you could get at those. I'm sure you can get this. I know you could get the milk tea. I know you could get, they have their own version of the sandwiches, like made with their own things, but they do have like the same sandwiches. They don't always have the same hand roll though. I notice sometimes places don't have the same.
Lawson's tends to have like very unique flavors, like taco meat ones, and like yeah, they have like different flavors.
I do notice that. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite thing at a Family Mart or a Lawson's? What do you miss the most if you're not here? And if you are here, let me know what you get all the time. Go check out her channel too. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you in the next video.